Good morning to one and all. Myself Dilip Kumar, Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Asaka Engineering College, Bhimavaram. In this video, I am going to discuss about the basic principles of cryptography and network security. Objectives of this lecture are to understand the basic principles of security, goals of security, to learn about security attacks. Those are non-cryptanalytic attacks and cryptanalyst attacks. Goals of security. The security goals are classified into three types. The first one is the confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Confidentiality means only the authorized persons are aware of the data. Integrity. Integrity means only authorized persons are modifying the data. No an unauthorized person modifying the data. Availability. Availability means it should be easily available to authorized users. Goals of cryptography. First of all, what is cryptography? Cryptography means in Greek language, crypto means hiding, graphy means writing. So cryptography means we are writing the original message into a non-understandable format. Confidentiality. We need to protect our confidential information. An organization need to guard against those malicious actions that endanger the confidentiality of its information. Here, two authorized persons are sharing the data in a communication channel. The channel is unsecure channel. Here, a third party is sniffing the data. Availability. The information created and stored by an organization needs to be available to authorized entities. In this, the loss of availability are called as, for example, distributed denial of service attacks. In distributed denial of service attacks, the attacker uses multiple slave computers and sending requests to the service providers. Then the service provider refuses to give the service to the authorized persons also. These type of attacks we are called as loss of availability. Integrity. Integrity means there's no changes be done in transferring the message from authorized persons. In this diagram, the two authorized persons are sending the data. Here, an attacker is collecting the data from the sender and modify it and send to the receiver as an sender. Cryptographic attacks. Security attacks are classified into three types. The first one is threats to confidentiality. Those are snooping, traffic analysis, and threat to integrity, modification, masquerading, replying, repetition. Threat to availability. Those are denial of service. Threat to confidentiality. Snooping. It refers to unauthorized access to or interception of data. To prevent snooping, the data can be made non-intelligible to the interceptor by using encipherment techniques. Here Bob sends data to Alice. The Death read the content of data sent by Bob. Traffic analysis. Even an encrypted message can be analyzed to obtain some information, like say the identity of the sender and the recipient. The nature of information. Encryption means the process of converting the given plain text means original data into a non-understandable format. So in those data also we are getting some information. Threat to integrity. Modification. After intercepting or accessing information, the attacker modifies the information to make it beneficial to herself. Masquerading. An attacker can pretend as a legal sender or receiver to obtain the information to which he does not have access. Replying. An attacker copies a message sent by a different user and replies later. Interpretation. Sender of message may later deny that he has sent it. Means he refuses to tell that he has sent the message. The receiver of the message may later deny that he has received the message. It means the sender sent the message. After sending also, he tells that I am not sending the message. The receiver receives the message. After that, he tells that he is not receiving the message. This masquerade attack and replay attacks. This is the process of modification and denial of service. Slow down or totally disable the system. The sender sends so many bogus requests to a server that the server crashes because of heavy load. Non-cryptographic attacks, passive attacks and active attacks. In passive attacks, the observer only attacker observing the data. But in active attacks, the attacker may modify the data and also sending the data as a sender. Here attacks, snooping, traffic analysis are passive. Goal of threaten is confidentiality. Modification, masquerading, replying, repetition or active attacks. They threaten the integrity. Device is active attack, threaten availability. Cryptographic attacks. There are two general approaches to attacking a conventional encryption scheme: cryptanalysis. Cryptanalytic attacks rely on the nature of the algorithm, some knowledge of general characteristics of the plain text, some sample plain text cipher text pairs. This type of attack exploits the characteristics of the algorithm to attempt to deduce a specific plain text or to deduce the key being used. Brute force attacks. The attacker tries every possible key on a piece of cipher text until an intelligible translation into plain text is obtained. On average, half of all possible keys must be tried to achieve success. Cryptographic attacks. Type of attacks: ciphertext only, encryption algorithm, and ciphertext. Non-plain text, encryption algorithm, ciphertext, one or more plain text. Chosen plaintext encryption algorithm, ciphertext plaintext message chosen next. Chosen ciphertext encryption algorithm and ciphertext chosen by the cryptanalysis. Chosen text encryption algorithm, ciphertext plaintext message chosen by a cryptanalyst together with the corresponding ciphertext generated with secret key. Ciphertext chosen by cryptanalyst together with the corresponding decrypted plaintext generated with secret key. Goals of security. The summary goals of security: confidentiality, hiding information from unauthorized access, and integrity means this unauthorized modification. Availability means it should be easily available to authorized users. And attacks: non-cryptographic attacks and cryptographic attacks. In non-cryptographic attacks, threat to confidentiality, integrity, availability. In cryptographic attacks, brute force attack and cryptanalysis. References: Cryptography and Network Security by B. F. Ferguson and Cryptography and Network Security Principles and Practices by William Staggs. Thank you.